Master your screen time, build healthy digital habits. Hey everyone, it's Daniel. You ever pick up your phone just for a quick check? And suddenly, 30 minutes have disappeared? You're not alone. We've all been there. It's like our phones have this magnetic pull. And before we know it, we're sucked into the vortex of social media, emails, and endless scrolling. The truth is, technology isn't the problem. How we use it is. If we don't take control, it will control us. Think about it. How often do you feel stressed, overwhelmed, or even anxious because of all the notifications, the pressure to keep up, the constant stream of information? That's why today, I'm going to share 5 powerful ways to build healthy digital habits so you can break free from distractions, be more productive, and use technology wisely. It's time to take back our time and our lives. Are you ready? Let's get started. The digital dilemma. Are you in control? Do you ever find yourself scrolling endlessly, wasting hours online? You know what I'm talking about. You pick up your phone for one quick check, and suddenly, 30 minutes have disappeared. You've gone down a rabbit hole of cute puppy videos or gotten sucked into another political debate. And what do you have to show for it? Nothing but lost time and maybe a little bit of eye strain. Listen, we live in a world that's constantly plugged in. Technology is everywhere and it's not going anywhere. But that doesn't mean it has to control us. We have the power to decide how we use it. We can either let it steal our time, our attention, and our peace, or we can learn to master it. Because let's face it, life is too short to be glued to a screen. The high cost of unhealthy digital habits. Unhealthy digital habits wreak havoc on our lives. They kill our productivity. How often do you start working only to end up scrolling? An hour passes and nothing's done. They shorten our attention spans. Constant notifications make it hard to focus. We're multitasking, but at what cost? They increase our stress and anxiety. The pressure to stay connected takes a toll. But it doesn't have to be this way. Technology isn't the enemy, it's how we use it. Chapter 3. Habit 1. Set clear boundaries. Take back your time. The first habit to mastering your screen time is simple. Set clear boundaries. Ephesians chapter 5 verses 15 to 16 tells us to be very careful then, how you live, not as unwise but as wise. Set screen time limits, use focus modes, and track your usage. But let's go deeper. Take an intentional approach, rooted in biblical wisdom. Be intentional with your time. Don't let distractions take over. Decide when and where you'll use technology. Make time for prayer, reading the Word, and loved ones. Remember, you are in control. Choose wisely. Chapter 4. Habit 2. Tech-free mornings and nights. Start and end your day. Right. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, and the first thing you do is reach for your phone. You scroll through emails, social media, and the news, immediately bombarding your mind with information and demands. Sound familiar? The problem is, checking your phone first thing in the morning sets a reactive tone for the day. You're starting your day on someone else's terms, responding to their agenda instead of setting your own. The same goes for nighttime scrolling. That blue light from your phone disrupts your sleep, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Here's the solution. Create a tech-free morning and night routine. Trust me, your mind and body will thank you. Chapter 5. Habit 3. Be mindful of your content consumption. Guard your mind. Let's talk about what you're consuming online. Philippians chapter 4 verse 8 tells us to think about whatever is true, noble, right, pure, lovely, admirable. If anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things. The world will tell you to be intentional about what you watch and read, to unfollow accounts that drain your energy, to curate a feed that inspires you. And that's great advice, but let's take it a step further. We need to guard our minds against negativity, toxic content, and distractions. It's like we're at a buffet and we have the choice of what we put on our plates. Are we going to fill ourselves with junk food that leaves us feeling empty and sluggish? Or are we going to nourish our minds with wholesome, life-giving content? So choose wisely. That's it, my friends. 3 powerful habits to help you master your screen time and build a healthier relationship with technology. Remember, technology is a tool. You can either let it control you or use it to build a better life. What's one digital habit you want to change? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the message of digital wellness and help each other live our best lives, both online and offline.